Hey, it's Jack here, and tonight we're staying at the Knott's Farm Hotel here in Buena Park, California. We're going to go inside, give you a room tour, check out the hotel, the amenities, and we'll see if this hotel is worth staying when you come here to Southern California. Let's go inside, check it out. Well, our room is room 401, and that's going to be down this way here, 401 to 416. Coming into the hotel room, off to the right we have the bathroom, we have the sink, and they give us our Knott's Farm branded body wash, shampoo, conditioner, lotion. There's makeup remover. There's soap, which I've already used. And despite the labeling where you'd think it might be boysenberry scented, it's not. It's just standard. Go back further. We have our toilet. And we have our shower. Shower looks good there. They have a rack for your toiletries. Over here on this side, they have the closet. In the closet, you have your ironing board, your iron, some hangers. Also, it looks like they have laundry service. And down here it reminds us it's safe for us to be in this area. As we exit the bathroom, come into the main room, we have this nice king bed. Above the king bed is one of the roller coasters here. And over here on this other wall, another one. This is the Sierra Sidewinder. Opposite the bed is the TV. They've got an ice bucket with some cups. Coffee maker with some coffee and some tea. Nice desk to do your work. You got to order your room service here. If you're wondering what's on the room service menu, you can scan that QR code. Flyer here with their phone numbers and stuff for check-in, check-out, pool, and that sort of thing. There is a real nice chair here. And of course, our view coming out of the room. We got this long hallway. Almost illusional. It looks like you're walking toward a mirror. I don't know if it's picking up that way on the camera, but it looks like that the hallway isn't as long as it is, or there's a mirror, but it's actually a pretty long hallway. Takes you to the elevator. One of the amenities that's here, they have the ice machine, and they have a Coke machine on the floor. We have this sign that says lobbies to our left and pool and entertainments to our right. We're going to walk out this way, take a look at the pool. And they've got some other amenities out here that are worth checking out also. Pool hours are 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. Let's go check it out. Out here in the pool area, they have a splash area for the kids, and a real nice looking pool. It goes from 3.5 feet to 5 feet. And they got the hot tub already circulating, ready to go. You can see the steam coming off of it right there. It's nice out here. They have the towels for the pool, so you don't have to bring your room towels down. They've already got them down here. Also out here by the pool, they have drink machines, Coca-Cola product. For the splash pad, it reminds us over here, water's recirculated, not to drink it. There's this button here that says, press button to activate pool toy. And opposite the pool, they have a full tennis court. They have a full basketball court also. Now this facility, like every facility in California, is non-smoking. The smoking area is over my shoulder there, which I find ironic that they would put the smoking area right next to a fitness area with a basketball court and a tennis court. Maybe it's the only place they could put it, but just kind of find that ironic. This is their fitness center. Come inside the fitness center, they've got some stationary bikes, some climbers, some treadmills. Over here they have the weight machines, some free weights, a weight bench, some towels. Sauna and steam rooms show out of order. And if this was working, there would be, this is the steam room. And over here is the sauna. The view from the weight room is, while you're working out, you can look out toward the pool. And maybe go in the pool after your workout. Down the hallway there's your restroom and shower. And here's your access to the pool. One of the other amenities they have here is a guest laundry. Operating hours are 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Looks like they have 4 washing machines, 4 dryers. And here's Pigpen and Linus reminding us that laundry soap and softener may be purchased in the hotel gift shop. Let the front desk know if there's any equipment issues. Looks like this one has some issues because Snoopy's here repairing it. Now from the lobby, if you go to the right and come back toward, as you're exiting out the hotel that would take you to Knott's Berry Farm, there is the gift shop. So the gift shop's got your California souvenirs, got some charging cables, got your swimwear, Charlie Brown t-shirt, which is fitting since Peanuts theme is throughout Knott's. And here's some hats over here. They've also got an assortment of candy, some boysenberry cookies and other flavored Knott's cookies. You've got your drinks, other boysenberry items across the back over here, as well as some Knott's Berry Farm candy to satisfy your ice cream sweet tooth. They have some ice cream. They also have your assortment of plush Peanuts characters. As we come into the lobby, got this outside courtyard area that's all set up for an event, and it's locked currently because of the event, but you can see there it's all set up for an event. We come up this flight of stairs from the lobby, and we're on the second level where the convention area, and all the convention rooms are named after famous people here from Orange County. Segerstrom, of course we know Knott, Walter Knott. Here's Irvine, the O'Neill room, the Modjeska room, Bass and Cherry, Chapman, and there at the end is Talbert. After spending the day at Knott's Berry Farm, come back to the room, and this is our view. We'll look at this view again in the morning. Until then, have a good night. Well, it's now the next morning. Here's our view. Typical Southern California morning, marine layer overcast. This will burn off by 10 or 11 o'clock. Parking lot for Knott's is empty because they're not open yet. So how is it staying at the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel? The room last night was very noisy. It was a Friday night. There is a ballroom on the 3rd floor. There's a ballroom on the 9th floor. I think there was a party going on the 3rd floor because there was music that ran till about midnight or so. Outside, you can hear anything that happens in the parking lot. People talk, their conversations, cars driving up and down the boulevard, people in the parking lot driving their car around. It is a noisy room. People above me were running a foot race, it sounded like, till about 10 p.m. and then they settled down. Right on the other side of the restroom are the stairs. I could hear people running up and down the stairs this morning, and that's what woke me up, was the footsteps on the stairs, people going up and down. The amenities here at the hotel are great. They have the restaurant, they have a nice pool, they have the workout room. People at the front desk are super. Access to Knott's Berry Farm is really nice. You just walk out the back door of the hotel. A couple hundred yards, you're at the main gate to the Knott's Berry Farm. You can go in, enjoy your day, and walk a couple hundred yards back. For that, it's really nice. Would I stay here at this hotel again? If I'm solely coming to Southern California to go to Knott's Berry Farm, that's going to be a yes. The convenience of this hotel, the price is not that bad. Walking distance to Knott's Berry Farm. If I'm coming to Southern California for other reasons, I'm probably going to look elsewhere. Well, I hope you enjoyed this walk around tour of the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel here in Buena Park, California. Just a few hundred yards away from the main gate. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.